So guys, welcome back into another video. I'm just going to do a quick update on the stock FTFT, which is Future Fintech Group. So you guys know I actually put out a buy alert on this channel for my radar right around this zone here when it did actually in fact touch the 100 on the SMA line. Now guys, you know I like to use these technicals as my entry point so that I can get optimum entry. You can also see down here that we were completely about to overstretch on the downwards on the RSI below 30. So this is one that I had said this is a company I would be loading up on. They are based in China and they are working in that fintech technology sector. So guys, this is set to dominate moving forward in the next kind of decade. And I believe that companies like this do have a great future growth ahead of them. So I did in fact start to purchase up many shares, and I was gobbling up these shares all the way to about $6. That is when I finished loading up on this position. We can see guys today that we are in fact actually up 32%. So I did just want to say a big congratulations to anyone that did manage to catch this play, because we are absolutely smashing it on this channel. We are now in fact up over 100% on this play alone to date, and this play I actually put out literally only a week ago. So guys, make sure obviously to always do your own due diligence. Like I said, this channel is not financial advice, but it's more for entertainment and also educational purposes. But there's a reason I do put out some of these plays, because I really do believe that the plays that I look at do have a lot of upside to give. So this is why I actually put this on a buy radar for myself. As you just saw, I did talk through some of the technicals, and we did have that big share offering, like I said, bound from $10 in that last video that I did on FTFT. And that allowed us to actually capitalize on this market, because we had an entire 50% pullback on the share price over the course of about a week. So in conclusion to this, what am I saying? Well, essentially NNDM are in fact doing another 500 million direct offering, and I did put up a video this morning. So if you guys did see that video, then well done to you guys. If you haven't, then be sure to check it out. I will leave a link above in the description now. But what I wanted to point out to you guys is we have actually come down, and we've actually retraced all the way back here to that exact spot where we are at the 100 on the SMA line. You guys can see that on market open in the pre-markets today, we actually pretty much did hit that line, and now we are rebounding into some nice strong support area, which is almost around that zone that I did actually draw up on this chart about a month ago. If I do actually move this one up on the stream, you can actually see right now that this is actually quite a strong support zone, and it has now acted as a support for this company moving forward. So I don't think that we will probably see much more of a sell-off below this line. So we are looking that a support zone for the NNDM share price after this offering will be around that $13 to $13.50 range. So I do believe that we will see some consolidation around this area before we do in fact retest those new highs. Now guys, I do know that a few of you had reached out to me because you said, oh, I'm getting a bit nervous because, you know, NNDM, they do like to keep doing these share dilutions, which pushes their share price down every single time. Why are they doing this? This has happened multiple times, as you guys can now see. But really my thoughts are, if we can learn from this, we can actually see that on FTFT, we are now rebounding strong. This company now has more money on their balance sheet to acquire new businesses, put more money into their fundamentals, and also their research and development to grow as a company. So I always think that share dilutions are a good thing, providing the company is using it in a positive catalyst. As you guys can see up on the screen, Future Fintech does actually have some brand new news up. On Friday, the company announced that its subsidiary company Cloud Chain Mail signed a cooperation agreement with News Magazine. Now guys, the ownership of magazine in question is directly held by the China Foundation of Consumer Protection. The cooperation agreement has been signed for 5 years and will end on January 31st, 2026. The announcement from the company was welcomed by markets, and of course the stock soared as investors piled in on this in a big way. So that is the news that we had that has been a big catalyst for FTFT, and that means that their share price has now been pushed up in price because of the fact that Chain Cloud Mail have signed this new deal. And so guys, if I now bring you back to the charts with Nano Dimensions, and like NNDM says, they are looking to acquire that new company. So guys, I do think that this could be a nice buy zone right now for NNDM, and I do think it is just a matter of time until, of course, we do actually see some more upside moving into the future. As you guys know, it is my second highest holding in my portfolio, and I do actually love the opportunity that this company presents, because they are moving into an $87 billion market, and right now they are only sitting at $3 billion. So if this company is successful and they are one of the leaders, then and this company could grow exponentially in the coming decade ahead. And so just before I do end the video, I just wanted to update you that I have actually not sold any of my shares yet of FTFT. I do have a double-digit price target on this, around the $14 to $16 zone. So I'm going to be monitoring it closely to see how fast this does spike up, and I will re-update you guys in upcoming videos. So make sure to stay tuned for future content. If you do want to see that content, then be sure to turn that notification bell on and comment down below with notification gang, because I want to know all my notification gang by name. Just wanted to bring that to your attention. I hope that you guys have a great safe day in the markets. If you didn't see my video on the top 5 stocks that I'm watching right now, I will link it above, so be sure to check out that video. I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.